Hi, my name is Stan Harris. This is my informative speech for public speaking. My topic I chose was yin and yang. I chose this topic because of the fact that with everything going on, um, and a lot of the calamity and stuff like that, balance is something that we need, and I felt like it was something that could kind of give it a little bit of enlightenment. In Chinese mythology, yin and yang were born from chaos when the universe was first created, and they are believed to exist in harmony at the center of the earth, i.e., the core of the earth. During the creation, their achievement of balance in the cosmic egg allowed for the birth of Pangu, the first human. In addition, the first god, Fuxi, Nua, and then Shingon were born from yin and yang. In Chinese religion, the Taoists favor yin while the Confucianists favored yang, in keeping with the prime focus of their respective philosophies. The Taoists emphasized on reclusion, whilst the Confucianists believed in the importance of engagement in life. Um, the principle of yin and yang is that all things exist as inseparable and contradictory opposites. For example, you have female and male, you have dark and light, and old and young. The pairs of equal opposites attract and complement each other. Um, the principle dates back to the 3rd century BCE or even earlier, and the fundamental concept in Chinese philosophy, Chinese medicine, as well as culture in general. Um, as yin and yang symbol, the illustrates. Um, Let me see. Um, oh, I don't have it. If you know what it looks like, it's the circle with the teardrop black and teardrop white with a centered white dot in the black teardrop and a black circle in the white teardrop. As the symbol illustrates, each side has its core and element, which is the little circle in the teardrop, um, and vice versa each other. Neither pole is superior to the other, and the poles are the teardrops themselves. And as an increase in one uh, brings a corresponding decrease in the other, i.e., if the black side is getting bigger, then the element, which is the center white dot in the middle, that is getting smaller, you know. Um, or you could look at it as the center dot in the middle increasing and the black teardrop or pole getting smaller. Um, Again, neither is superior to the other, and there's an increase in one brings a corresponding decrease in the other. A correct balance between the two poles must be reached in order to achieve harmony. Um, Now, the origin for this, the concept of yin and yang, and the idea of the the two forces becoming popular uh, happened with the work of the Chinese school of yin and yang, which studied philosophy and cosmology. Again, in the 3rd century BCE, the the main proponent of the theory was the cosmologist Zhuyan, who believed that life went through different phases, and five to be exact. Um, and these are elements actually: fire, water, metal, wood, and earth, which continuously interchanged according to the principle of yin and yang. Now, yin is the proponent and pole, i.e., the white side, which is represented by female, feminine, the female force, female energy. Actually, again, I stand corrected. The black side. I always mix those two up. I do apologize. It is the black side. And the dark side is also represented by the north, water, which is transformation, passive, the moon, which is weakness, and the goddess, Chang'e. It also represents earth, i.e., Mother Earth, cold, old. You have even numbers, and poor, soft, compassionate. And it normally reaches its heights during the winter solstice and can be represented by the color orange or the animal tiger. Yin, and that's yin. Yang is represented by a white. Yang is masculine, male. Again, they are opposing opposites, again, and when you think that, you're thinking opposites attract. Yang is the masculine, the male force, male energy, as again, yin is the female. You have white, and then you have black, i.e., yin, white for yang. You have light for yang, dark for yin. You have south for yang, north for yin, and so on and so on. You also have fire, active as opposed to passive. Sun, which is strength, and the god Zihi. I don't know if I butchered that name, honestly. Heaven, warmth, young, odd numbers, rich, hard, like firm, i.e., males are, when it comes to fathers, are firm, and women are compassionate and soft as mothers, or, to be left to your determination. But as it is explaining, that's what those are referencing when they say hard and soft. Hard for yang, soft for yin. And that reaches, yang reaches its height of influence, its peak at the summer solstice. Yang may also be represented by the color blue and the dragon. That's it. That is all I have. In conclusion, it's again, yin and yang is about balance and maintaining a certain balance of things in order for there to be a sense of harmony, as I was explaining. And you can always find yin and yang in everything that we do, but it is more based off of Chinese philosophy and mythology, and again, their medicine, and just everyday general life. But again, my name is Stanley Harris, and that is my informative speech on yin and yang.